we are making a dumpling sauce, and here are the ingredients. It's super simple and really easy. First, I'm going to take half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Second, that's 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Next, that's apple cider vinegar, again 1 tablespoon. Next, half a teaspoon stevia powder. Next, you can go in for any sauce you have which is little spicy. So I've taken a Siracha sauce. Next, 1 tablespoon of olive oil to it. And last but not the least, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened peanut butter. You can also add some soy sauce to the same. And now you're going to just mix the mixture really well. So your super yummy, super easy keto dumpling sauce is ready. You could add some basil leaves to enhance the taste. So lastly, I've added some chopped basil leaves to it. And here our dumpling dressing is ready. Enjoy the same with steamed chicken dumplings.